I think it's everybody's vision at Extreme Panels is that as the industry grows, we want everybody to build SIPs the correct way, in the best way possible. Well, we started out at the farm. It's a 50 by 100, and that's where we started laminating the panels up. And we started mainly producing 4x8 panels for agricultural out of there, and then we brought in 4x16 OSB, and we produced a couple commercial and a couple residentials out of there. Terry and Linda realized then that we wanted to stay in Cottonwood, and we wanted to build our facility in Cottonwood. We bought the site that we're on, and we manufactured all the panels and had them installed on site. We can say that all of our buildings that we have there have panels on them, and there's not too many other manufacturers that have had that opportunity to have their offices and their manufacturing plants built out of the product that they're doing. And I think that proves a lot to customers that we wanted our buildings made of this product. That's how much we believe in it. In 2005 is when Terry first started working with the idea of manufacturing our own 8x24 and advancing it to the automation that it is. It took a lot of work because there wasn't another machine in the industry to be fully automated the way this one is. We built that machine up with the help of Epiphany Technologies out of Pennsylvania. They really helped us with building the components that we wanted automated that was not out there. Well, by us building the jumbo machine using 8x24 master panels, we knew that we could not continue cutting by hand like what we've done in the past and what many in the industry has done in the past. And so we knew by advancing ourselves with the automated laminating machine, we needed a machine like the Hundegger to cut those panels and just really step ourselves up in the industry as far as accuracy and the technology. We are the only manufacturer in the U.S. that has a fully automated laminating machine that can be run with one operator, and then to have the Hundegger right behind it, cutting it, to now bringing the Hundegger in and bringing the accuracy into cutting the panels. Putting in place the software of the AutoCAD architecture and then incorporating the HSB CAD, by putting that in place first, incorporating the Hundegger was an easy step from that point. So right now everything is utilized off that software. The production paperwork is done off that software. Of course, programming for the Hundegger software, all in that drawing. And then all of our master panels and child panels, everything's nested together on that. I would say that customers are very satisfied when they walk through our plant and take a visit and see our facility with how clean it is. We really take the extra steps to be as green as possible with our waste. We recycle as much of every product as possible, and people generally appreciate that. When they see the automation that we have in place, the accuracy that we're getting out of cutting every panel on the Hundigger, it really sets us above others. They know they're going to get a quality product out of us every single time, and it's really helped us grow in the marketplace. Really, if you want to be a bigger player in the market of SIPS manufacturing, you have to go into the direction of automation to get that accuracy in place of laminating, number one, and cutting with the Hundigger, number two. You have to be able to keep that accuracy up to the quality level that SIPS needs to be at to grow.
Hello, I'm Gary Heider, Vice President of Sales with Midwest Automation. It's been a privilege working with Extreme Panel and Hundigger on automating SIP production. And what we have behind us here is our 4-foot extrusion line so we're putting down a precision coating weight of liquid moisture cure polyurethane. We're building a stack of panels, and then we're pressing them in a hydraulic press. We're assuring uniform pressure, and which will yield optimum bond quality. The other line that we have here at Extreme is the 8x24 Jumbo Extreme Trap laminating system, which utilizes the same concept, but we're doing one panel at a time production, and very efficient, very consistent.
A lot of panels.
Right. Our production is much higher than on the laminating line than what we can cut in a given day. So the capacity really outrageous of what we can do here. Really, the flow is good. We can produce panels up. We can let them get the proper cure time, and then they can go to the Hundigger for the precise cutting.
From a labor standpoint, Jeremy, how many bodies do you have in this area between the three machines?
On the 4-foot line, we run with two operators, and then on the Jumbo line, on the 8x24s, we just have one operator there.
And then on the Hundigger?
Hundigger, we have one operator primary, and we have kind of a secondary that helps out once in a while.
So basically this is a 5-man, 6-man operation?
Yep, I'd say efficiently you can run it with 5 people.
Well, it's an amazing job what you guys have done with Midwest. We appreciate that partnership and working with you guys and with Extreme. It's been a pleasure to see your machine work.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, cut.
Cool. The fire and ambulance hall here is our latest one that we did. I'm a member of the fire department. Many of our employees are members of the fire department and the ambulance service. Terry is a 39-year member of the EMT, the ambulance service. We really wanted this project to go smooth, and we wanted it to be local people doing it, and we worked on it for several years to finally get it done, and we finally moved in December of 2014 into this structure. Installation of the panels went very well. It was a local contractor that did it. It is just using, the panels are used on the walls of the apparatus bay, the hose tower, walls and roof, and then the office building and meeting room area the panels are used on the walls there as well.